Here's a problem that I'm having. I'm in a campaign right now, and I need to change the video that's being done here. This is a LinkedIn personal one, so I have to do it in a unique manner due to restrictions. If I click on here, and you see everything's kind of like no carriage returns and all of that, even though I did put them in there, but when you click preview, you can see everything is nicely broken out with the formatting and all of that stuff. So we're going to go ahead and close that preview. Now what I need to do is I need to delete this video here and this image, and then I have to get rid of this YouTube link and put in a new YouTube link. And that's going to get, for the LinkedIn personal accounts, the proper video to display here. But if I go to preview, you're going to see all that formatting is lost. So this is what the issue is why is it losing the formatting just because you made a change in the system? So I'm hoping you guys can fix this.